some miso soup here is famous in Japan. I will show you all the ingredients later on in this amazing production here on El Castor Network News and El Castor Network Television. So basically, guys, we're going to get right into the action here. And basically, the way we do is we're going to basically get in here, guys. We gotta get this. You know, the process is like very hard. So basically, you guys can see this amazing, oh shoot, delicious, gooey, and I guess it would be delicious. Some form of ingredients. I believe those are peas. Peas. Yes, those probably some peas, Japanese peas. That are beans. Oh, beans. Okay, Japanese beans. Soybeans here. So basically, guys, Japanese soybeans here, and we're going to get right into the action, guys. You know, we're going to be pounding away, and hopefully, we'll get something out of this. I think the idea.
これは面白が一応あります。
Your television producer and director. I'm also helping out here at this. I guess it's like a community Japanese center here in Japan where people come and learn how to cook various of different things like miso soup and other stuff. And I guess there's a big center here where you can learn how to fish, how to cook, and a few other stuff. There's also a gym facility, and you can also do info sessions and lectures, among other things, guys. Anyway, so the idea is to guys continue here pounding away. So that's what I'm going to be doing, guys. We're almost finished, guys. We're almost finished. We're almost finished. Okay, we're actually pounding away. It's just getting a little bit squishy. Bro. Oh my goodness. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, El Castor Network. Like and share our videos with your friends and family. And for more information, visit our website, www.frankowitnessinternationalwithtv.com. And as always, your host, the Canadian viewer. Having fun. Take care. Correct? We're done. Okay, we're done.
洗わないで、1回目はそれでつけて、で今度はい、これで上押さえてください。お茶などをしながら動いてます。
色ですね。ですから2ヶ月水が上がったからすぐ食べるんじゃなくて、もう少し余裕を持っておいで熟成させてもらった方がいいと思います。